Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 on Debian 10 Buster. So here in this video I am going to use Ubuntu 16.04 Debian packages, which is 100% compatible on Debian 10. So Debian 10 does not have separately SQL Server packages. So first step is I am checking the hard disk space. So df-kh command gives me the output /opt. I'm having large amount of space. So make sure at least you have 6 GB of hard disk space. So /opt is a default directory where SQL Server 2019 get installed, and memory also I'm having around 6 GB free. So make sure you have enough RAM memory, at least 1 GB to 4 GB free memory, depends upon your database size. Okay, now let me go to the directory where I have downloaded the packages for SQL Server 2019. So this is the directory where I have downloaded the Debian packages. So these are all Ubuntu 16.04 Debian packages. These packages are 100% compatible with the Debian 10. So make sure that you have downloaded from the link which I have provided in the description of this video. So I have provided the link in the description of this video. Please read the description before you start the installation. So let me try to install the SQL Server 2019 Debian package, and let us see what is happening. And make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the dependent packages. Yes, so it requires some additional dependent packages for SQL Server 2019. I think it requires around 5 to 6 packages. So I am updating the repositories. So new repository URLs will be downloaded. So Debian 10 Buster repositories are still supported, so no need to worry about that. I am installing the dependencies in single shot now, so note down these dependencies. So all the dependent files are got downloaded. Finally, you can see that SQL Server 2019 also got installed. Okay, now let me copy this setup command. So make sure run as a root user. It will start the setup menu of SQL Server 2019. Yes. So this is the menu. I am choosing option number 2, developer edition. Accept the license agreement, and English is the default language for me. Provide the system administrator password. So password should be alphanumeric, at least one letter in uppercase, and have one special character. So SQL Server 2019 is being configured now. Yes, so it's installed successfully. I think SQL Server is now getting started. So you can verify by using systemctl status command. Systemctl status mssql-server.service. Okay. So by netstart command, you can verify the port numbers occupied by SQL Server process. So I can able to see 3 ports are occupied by SQL Server. So I am grepping the netstart command once again. Make sure that you have installed the netstart command in Debian 10. Okay, 1431, 1433, 1434 is the ports occupied by SQL Server process. So 1433 is the default port and main port for SQL Server 2019. Okay. Next is I am going to install one important dependent package, multi-arc support. So make sure that this Debian package is got installed in order to install the ODBC drivers. So now I installed the ODBC drivers. So these are the ODBC drivers provided by Microsoft itself. So I provided the download link. Use those binaries. So after installing the ODBC drivers, I am going to install MSSQL-tools. So this MSSQL-tools contains the command line utilities used to connect to SQL Server 2019. So MSSQL-tools installed successfully. MSSQL tools has dependency of ODBC drivers. That means once ODBC drivers got installed only, then only you can install MSSQL-tools. Okay, now I am going to file system /opd directory. So you can see 3 directories are created. So Microsoft directory contains ODBC drivers. MSSQL directory contains binaries and library files for SQL Server 2019 instance. And MSSQL-tools directory contains command line utilities used to connect SQL Server 2019. So don't delete these 3 directories. So these 3 are installed by SQL Server 2019. Now what I am going to do is I am going to configure okay, now what I am doing is I am going to export this path so that all the commands will be available in this terminal. So here itself I am adding /opt MSSQL tools /bin directory so that SQL command line tool will be available in the path. Yes, so it's available now. So I am connecting SQL CMD utility now. SQL CMD-s localhost -USA-p password whatever you provided during the installation. Yes, so I can able to connect SQL Server 2019 instance. So now I am creating one database and I am going to use the database. Next I am going to create one table and going to insert some record in the table and I will fetch those records. So these are all basic test I am doing after the install of SQL Server 2019. Yes, everything is fine. So SQL Server 2019 installation on Debian 10 Buster is successful. So I have done through by installing Ubuntu 16.04 binaries which are 100% compatible with the Debian 10. So Debian 10 separately did not have any binaries. So now I am going to unblock the ports. So first I have checked whether this firewall is running or not. So firewall is up and running. So this is the command to unblock the SQL Server 2019 port. UFW allow 1431, UFW allow 1433, UFW allow 1434. So I have unblocked these 3 ports used by SQL Server 2019. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to take this SQL Server 2019 running on Debian to offline. So offline database. So I am switch off this virtual machine. So in network I am going to change the adapter settings. So host only adapter I am giving host only adapter so that database will allow only in internal network. No internet access will be there. So I have restarted the machine. So after restarting, I can able to see that one IP address is got allocated to this virtual machine. So through this IP address only, I am going to connect to SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so I have already unblocked the port in firewall. So you can access the database in SQL Server Management Studio, which is running on Debian 10. Make sure that you have installed the updated version of SQL Server Management Studio in order to connect SQL Server 2019. Yes. So I can able to connect to the database. Yes. I can able to fetch the records in SQL Server Management Studio. So right click properties will give you a lot of information about the database and operating system which is hosted, CPU cores, etc. etc. It will give some of the details. So finally, I conclude that SQL Server 2019 installation on Debian 10 Buster is successful. So I have used Ubuntu 16.04 binaries which are 100% compatible with Debian 10. Debian 10 does not have packages for SQL Server 2019, so I have used Ubuntu 16.04 packages.